Eya. Si nk'ibisanzwe simushona. Aya chick yo. Aya Basya. Studio ziba zateguye zo murabizi kari nka Sam. Sony niyo studio ya mbere ubundi igisaba ubundi Sony nabo banyiriye filime kwanza d'abord. Ntabwo twakabe turi hano. Iri shyamba ntabwo ridushaka. Chawe kureba kumbe umwana w'inkende we zatawe. Rebe.
A gente tem que fazer isso.
Ibi tugomba kubikora.
O que tá esperando a gente vai mudar nossa vida.
Kubera ko ibidutegereje bizahindura ubuzima bwacu. Sanga akantu k'akamoto bwabo moto bwo mu misozi. Shyiramo. Ni wa mukobwa we ni kaga kobwa ni kaga sadunda mwana. Ni kaga sadunda. Hakuno. Bakiraho baki. Jya mu bwato ari cyabo kubitse dore ikintu bita inzoka nini. Dore ikintu bita inzoka nini umugabo yaramufashira mukanda. Iramukanda dore cyo bita inzoka. Imumanukana hasi mu ndiba y'amazi Anaconda 2026. Filime yasohotse uyu munsi nyibona ndavuga
flies open. Something big and scaly.
Nibwo azazi ikintu giteye ubwoba cyihuse.
Definitely not human.
Kitari umuntu ariko.
Pulsating score kicks in.
Kize gitera nk'imigeri. Kivuga ngo yeah.
We're on the back of the beast.
Turugarutse nk'ibinyamaswa tu. Ukaburi hano nimba ari kuvuga ibiki to. Rebe sinzi. Yeah. Ngaho nyumvira nukuri. Kintu cy'ikigabo cy'ibyanwa bingana kuno.
I'm sorry.
Mbabarire mugabo.
It's our wedding video you're talking.
We uski ari video y'ubukwe bwacu uri kuvuga hiza bimeze gutyo.
Don't think of them as videos, they're more like short films.
Je nago nshaka kuyikora nka video nshaka kuyikora nka filime gato.
Because I'm not sure this is quite what we had in mind.
Ndakeka icyo atari cyo gitekerezo twe twari. Okay. Barakwereka tuvuye twigarukira kuri filime jari mu bastar uwo mugabo muramwiruka muri Avengers no muri Ant-Man.
Warm ups, is it okay?
Oh, yeah, I've seen much crazy.
Ndabona ngiye bisa neza. Okay, byiza.
Sound better to say my line.
Natu murongo bampaye ku
blurry, which could suggest
blurry, so you know.
Yavuze ngo ntago yarebaga neza.
Optic neuritis.
Check out. Mukatinge.
Not sure what that accent is.
Iyo accent uri gukoresha ni wavuze ibintu bisanzwe ukareka kwigira inararibonye ujya kuvuga indimi tutazi.
His vision was
urebe hari ukuntu abantu baba barakuze ngo bafite inzozi yewe ngo zo kuzakina filime. Njya mbabona. Ngiye ko mutambaza ngo nakuze mfite izihe. Aje hakuno. Abona poster ya filime yitwa gute Anaconda. Reba ko kantu nimukibagirwa. Angije gira gutya. Grief ni dog mwa. Uyu munsi nahuriye na mama we kuri supermarket. Yavuze ngo uyu munsi ngufite akantu ka danger ngo sene wagiye gushutinga. Twese turagukumbuye nka genge yacu yitwaga ba Buffalo. Uzadusura ariko mwana umusa. Hakuno. Dore dog n'uyu wandikiye uri.
What is this?
Dog.
About there's some kind of sewer monster?
Bini bicyuri mariko wa mwana we.
Oh boy.
Ski. Ano muzeya ra. Dog. Musaza uri.
Look, I get that this is not what you dreamed about when you were a kid. Dreams, they go. I'll be retiring soon, and in a matter of time.
Dog.
All this is yours.
Yeah.
Here.
Reka tujye kunywa byeri basi twigire touchdown tujye gusinda.
Maybe we just
touchdown niho byabereye. Bombe bamutegurira agasurprise mu rugo. Mana anje Mary oya.
Yes, you love a good big birthday party.
So kundi kirori cyane verisi papa uskuru warebaga.
It's my idea.
Buddy, take my coat.
Cyari igitekerezo cyane cyanje ngajyanira. Hakuno yaratashye mu rugo ni dog.
No, that's not the actual
myaka myinshi yashize bahise baza.
Of young passionate artists.
Agatsiko k'abahungu
had a vision.
N'abakobwa bari bafite intumbero y'icyo bazajya.
It's not particularly original or even
kigoryiwe. Hakuno rebe. Hari harimo ikinyamaswa do.
before you strike me, I need
Right after senior year of college. Yes.
That's when Anaconda came out. Remember, we saw it like 30 times.
Put
it right there alongside the classics.
Totally. How about that cast? Come on, J-Lo, Ice Cube, Owen Wilson,
Owen Wilson.
I mean, it's a murderer's row.
Plus, the snake was like a metaphor for our lives at that moment. Like life is coming at you. You enforcing you. Like your parents' health insurance.
Okay.
Whatever. How about that accent by John Boyd?
Scaring the shit out of ourselves. Texas Chainsaw on like
Texas Chainsaw
repeat.
The chance to make one ourselves. Dude, that's what we dreamed about ever since we were little kids.
Hear you.
Show.
Still watching the Quatch.
Why don't you go check on those cookies?
Okay, but I'm pausing it. Don't touch it.
Ice cold milk with that.
Ice cold milk.
I don't want to wait, man. Our lives could be like over.
What are you talking about?
Anaconda.
McAllister yasaza kwandika filime The Anaconda. Yasaza kuyandika mbere ko bajya gushutinga abanza zane script babone gukora cast no gushaka finance n'ibiki byose yarayandika ijoro ryose. Uburyo tuzava muri Amazon tuzavira muri Amazon mu mugezi wa Amazon cyeka tuzashutinga ibyumweru bitatu dukoresha ama VFX
SFX
n'ama SFX
a riverboat captain travel
dukenere captain tujye mu ishyamba
a gigantic real snake
dukenere inzoka nini kandi ya nyayo
preferably a rental
wenda yo tuzayikodesha
all in
tuzayikodesha
$2.5 million
byose nabiteye imibare mbona tuzakenera miliyoni 2 cyangwa 2 n'igice z'amadolari.
That sounds
uzi inguzanyo twabemereye baje muri banki gusaba inguzanyo mwibuke bakeneye miliyoni 2 n'igice z'idolari. Uzi inguzanyo twabemereye dore genge ngo babita de Buffalo zini nsanga nk'eshanu enye
$9,400.
$9,400 na miliyoni 10 z'amanyarwanda zirimo kandi bakeneye miliyari hafi 3. akantu k'igenza harimo nk'agahinda cyangwa kwihorera.
Themes that's intergenerational trauma.
Reka tuvuge ko ari nka trauma umuntu yakuranye.
I love intergenerational trauma.
Waretse akaba ari trauma umuntu yavanye ku rukundo.
We're on something.
Nabyo araza bishyiramo hakuno bandika filime batuje neza 5/5. Rebe ariko
I need to shoot this film, man.
Filime nanjye nshaka kuyishutinga mwana utongana.
He fired me from the wedding video stuff.
Yanyirukanye muri bya bintu by'ubukwe by'wakora by'amavideo.
Because I got a little wasted.
Kubera ko nigeze kujya mu kazi nasinze. Natahiritse keke y'ubukwe bw'abandi.
But I'm dealing with it.
Ariko ndacyari kurwana nabyo nyine.
Like getting sober?
Yes.
Uburyo utazongera kunywa inzoga cyane.
Well, I mean, Buffalo sober.
Buffalo? Kwa kundi kwacu kwa genge yacu nka Buffalo. Isagiye kujya muri Amazon kudirectinga filime Brazil. Gatinze twigarukire za Brazil piriya mu mashyamba. Wabo ba Vinicius Junior.
Anacondas on the plane. Basically, they wait in the water for days.
Anaconda naherekana inzige ngo zitegereza mu mazi.
Stalking their prey.
Zigakomeza gukurikira umuhigo wazo.
Ever moving.
Zitanyeganye. Zigategereza. Umuhigo ukihegera. Rimwe.
Grab 1,000 pounds of pressure. You think you're gonna get away? You're not.
Zigahita zigukandisha umubyimba wazo. Urakeka wavamo wapi?
Crush.
Inzoka yamwizingiye iramubana.
Eyeballs just.
Inzoka iramukanda paka amaso avura. Mana yanjye reka reka.
Grandmother, Silvana.
Uwo mugore yari nyogokuru wanjye bamwitaga Silvana.
Horrible grandmother.
Yari nyogokuru mubi.
Still sad.
Ariko nubundi yari nyogokuru nyine birababa.
Hey, who are you?
Babarira uri cyane.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Mugiye gukinisha muri filime yanyu. Hakuno. Kwereka umukobwa twabonye na waza hano. Yinjira muri Brazil yinjiyemo hari abasore bamukurikiye. Abasore bamukurikiye hakuno. Do. tekereza umukobwa
him he was dying of starvation.
iyi nzoka tuyibona ubundi yari iri kwicwa n'inzara yenda gupfa inzara yenda kuyihotora
Why destroyed by gold miners?
kubera ko bano bajinga bagenda bacukura zahabu muri ririya shyamba leta bimeze bite kumbe inzoka ntago ari akana cyaba cyaba ikintu uko akirenze hari ibihuha nagiye numva bya anakonda nini cyane kuri iyi
maybe 4 or 5 times this size.
zikubye iyi ngiyi kane cyangwa gatanu.
Go ahead, Kenny, from the phone.
Yego baza we Kenny wo kuri telefone twavuga hakuno wa mukobwa uko yakaje mu kabari yabonye hakuno urufunguzo rw'ubwato yitwa Benedita.
Hi guys, my name is Anna.
Muraho banyita Anna wa mukobwa twabonye.
I believe you spoke to my father on the phone.
Ndakeka mwavuganye na papa wanje kuri phone.
Bruno? That's your dad?
Bruno ni papa wawe.
Yeah, he sends his apologies, but
yambwiye ngo ntago abashije kuboneka.
He's at the hospital.
Kubera ko yagiye kwa muganga.
I'm sorry.
Yamucunza aryamye kuri kontwara mwibura urufunguzo.
Unfortunately, you'll have to make other accommodations
biraza gusaba ko mushaka ubundi bwato.
I need to take this boat up river for a routine
kubera ko ubungubu ngiye kumujyana mu igaraje babanze babusuzume. Turabasubiza amafaranga yanyu yose.
Everything else is booked.
Ibintu byose twabibukinze.
And we're going to shoot a movie.
Kwa tugiye gushutinga mu video. Okay, sasa no ubwato bamwise ngo iki The Benedita hakuno. Ebe tayari. Marina mu masaha atambutse. None hasigira vuba. Liste yayo mato.
One more thing. Before we go to bed, we got a big day tomorrow.
Mbere yuko tujya mu buriri mumenye ko ejo dufite umunsi munini.
If you remember, we had a tradition on all our films.
Nimba mubyibuka kandi hari umuco tugira wa kera iyo tugiye gushutinga film.
Right before we
Sawa. Anakonda scene ya 15. Hakuno. Bella baza gushutinga.
What the hell are you still doing here?
Mundo racyakora icyo.
Take you home.
Je kugucyura imuhira batangiye shooting.
This mythical snake.
Hano hantu ngo haba inzoka utamenya ubwoko
bwa. Not prone to giving up.
Nimba ndi umuntu utashaka kuva ku bintu.
Filming there. What are we doing? EPK? Background DVD?
Turi gukora ibiki mwana ko nigeze nkubona shooting.
Bonus stuff.
Turi gukora twa tuntu tw'utu bonus stuff tuzi nyuma ya filime.
The Anaconda is the story of an intrepid biologist played by Claire.
Anaconda ni filime yakinwe n'umubiologist bita Claire bari gufata twa tuntu tw'utu behind the scene. Uja mubona behind the scene ukuntu zitwika.
To hunt down
ari kumwe na sheri wiwe.
Kill a giant mythical conda that
waje guhinga ikiyoka kinini.
Entire family.
Cyamurimburiye umuryango yose.
Get me, you goddamn snake!
I
was thinking the midway point. Instead of talking the bad guy out of it, what if Claire's character
waretse uyu mukobwa Claire si bari muri ibyo ikarita imirimo inzoka bagize gute bayimennye bari gupakira inzoka itangira kwinjira mu nzu hakuno kurinde kuri cliff. Hey!
I'm sorry, but how could this happen?
This
guy was a pro.
That's
what he said, but he hasn't provided us with a certificate.
You fixed the crate, right? It's taken care of?
Please.
Cut?
Hello. Kenny, do you mind if I...
Santiago, take 5. High tour, 5.
Wow,
it's huge when you see it up close and personal.
Like
that.
I know you think this is strange. A grown man get emotional over some dead snake. Jesus. But I love
izi nzoka nini rero cyane cyane anakonda nta n'ubumara zigira zibene izi nzoka anakonda nta bumara agira iyo irakwica kubera ko ibifite imbaraga nini cyane iragufata ikagukanda bakikwisha ariko nka ziriya nzoka zindi za viperi z'imiri ebe hakuno ukato anakonda n'inzoka zigendera munsi y'amazi muri Amazone barabiza abanyabrezil kira gutya yongere yicungira ubwato nyizera.
A friend of mine died once too, and
It hurts.
Nanje nigeze gupfusha inshuti kandi nzi ko bibabaza.
Was it a snake?
Yari inzoka si inshuti yawe? Inzoka?
No.
Yeah. What?
It was just a human person.
We yari umuntu usanzwe tu.
I'm still sad, right?
Menya nabyo byarakubabaje ariko mwana.
Totally. Anyway, I just wanted to say I'm sorry.
Agataho rero nashaka kugusaba imbabazi.
Beer?
Webyeri se basunywe.
I have my pills here, but
afite ibinini hano.
Let's mix.
Ariko reka mvange byeri n'imiti n'ubundi. Ronze imitura mu mubiri muzima mpfuye ntari.
Why?
Umurara nzunywesha Viagra turubu.
Had the last line. Thanks. Last line is season 3.
There are snakes around here. I can feel it.
Hano hari inzoka ndikubyumvamo.
What does it feel like?
Bimera bitese kujya ubyumva.
I don't know.
Sinzi.
It's just very snaky.
Iba yinyereza nyine buyoka tu.
It's snaky?
Buyoka.
They hear from vibrations on the ground.
Inzoka zumvira muri vibration yo hasi ku butaka iyo ukandagira kumva. Nantwe ubu turi mu mazi.
Every step we take.
Buri ntambwe dutera.
Drawing them closer.
Iratuma izo nzoka zitwegeraho ziri hose ngo baje guhiga. Ishyamba rero iyo wumvishije ricecetse burundu. Kimuca munsi. Santiago acana ibyo acana. Ariko uriya wakinyagwa uriye ko nari kukubona inzoka itimufatira mu mazi. Abanzira muzinga neza yitonze. Cyo byo kwivugishwa ngo niye wancatse urambu. Wamburiye ko jewe mpari. Wamburiye hey. Kwa ityo.
Santiago.
Nigeze mubona Santiago ra.
I don't think he's come back.
Ndakeka ataragaruka.
Back? From what?
Agaruka safari.
We went out to go get a new snake. We got.
Twagiye tugiye gushaka inzoka.
You went to find a snake in the middle of the night?
Twagiye gushaka inzoka muri iki gicuku muri iri joro ko.
We need one for the movie. It was dark. We got separated.
Twari dukeneye inzoka ngo dushutinge muvura bizi ariko bwari bwije kwatandukanye. Griff.
In the middle of the night to find a juicy snake in the jungle?
Utambeshye mwasohotse mu gicuku hagati mujya mu ishyamba ngo mugiye gushakamo inzoka.
You know what that's called?
Muzi ko ngo ibyo ngibyo kuntu babyita.
Producing.
Babyita ubugenisha.
Really?
I guarantee he will be back.
Nagusezeranya ari buze kugaruka wanyu ari buze
like that way.
Menya turi kujya muri kira cyerekezo.
Are you high right now?
Yeah.
Kenny uri high yego.
But I'm good. I already
peaked.
Jesus Christ, can you fucking...
Bwa bwato bavuyemo. Babagabo bari guhiga umukobwa bavugezemo. Babagabo bari guhiga umukobwa babwinjiyemo. Muri filime.
Com medo de continuar na selva.
Abagabo batataniye mu ishyamba. Simbyita ariko mugomba kumubona. Umubona. Iyi! Santiago agarutse umurambo we. Manage. Kigali we.
That's where that guy went.
Oh my God, what
hano yari yaje ku. Niki kumbe dore cyamugeze uko bamubonye barikanze. Sinzoka mwashakaga. Kuko ni camping van ntago bajya basigaho bati.
Could fix it, yes, but
wabikora. Nabikora.
Some visual problems.
Ariko mfite ikibazo ntago ndi kureba. Ntago ndi kureba.
Get it to me again.
Wacukwa ry'urongera uravuga ngo ntago uri kureba bwa mbere ngo yamennye keke y'abandi yahiritse keke mu bukwe bw'abandi atari kureba.
You did it on the wedding video and
wacukwa ryo yarabinkoze tujya gushutinga video y'ubukwe bw'abandi.
You're wasted off your ass.
None n'uburongeye nakwica.
Hurry, boss.
Babare boss.
Buffalo sober. You're buffalo sober.
Uvuga ngo uri buffalo sober ngo nukinywa inzoga. Nukinywa bya binini uri kwigira nkatwe nyine genge yabo bayita buffalo. Ngo ni buffalo sober. Jihakuno. Tugende. Yicoka mu modoka hakuno. Nzoka yaje. Nzoka yaje ibyo bari kwigira byose irabanza. Abagabo tubasaba ubufasha.
We have to stop. Do not.
Duhagarare mwana mudahagarika imodoka. Kikiri kujya. Bariya ni babandi bacukura amabuye mu buryo butemewe n'agaciro. Rero baba bari kuzenguruka hano mu ishyamba. Aba bagabo n'abana babi. Buri muntu wese ugeze mu matware yabo baramwica. Nabo baje kutwica se kandi. Hakuno.
Where is she?
Ari hehe? Arabakwepa.
Where is she?
Ari hehe? Tabarareba. Indese.
Who do you mean?
We came out here to make Anaconda.
Ariko twaje hano ngo asiba ibintu yabonye. yari yaranditse ko Daily kari ugomba gufata imbunda none hana niwe wafashe imbunda ha ibiki byose ahubwo se ko mbona filime igiye kuba show kize gutya yandika ibyo yandika arandika
Guy?
Asore.
Emergency meeting.
Inama yihutirwa igitaraganya.
Crew only. Can he sit down? What is that?
Ariko ni abantu bazakina muri filime mwenyine.
We had some time before the next port, and I had night.
Turacyafite igihe mbere yuko tugera ahantu turi buvire mu bwato.
Last night.
Rero ijoro ryashize nibwo nagize igitekerezo.
That I think is just too damn good not to shoot.
Ariko ndakeka icyo gitekerezo si kiza ku buryo twagishutinga.
Everybody's pretty burnt, man.
Just hear me out.
Uri kubyumva?
Anna.
Uzayite Anaconda. Ana nyine. Anna Nakonda. Ubwo uzayitira uriya mukobwa wagiye gushutinga yenyine ngo ni Anna.
Anna.
Can you just get in costume? Excuse me.
Abasa munyanganira.
Are you guys shooting a movie?
Muri gushutinga filime nta nubwo ari ubwato bumwe ni crew nini dore gikoresha abangaba bafite agakamera kamwe. Umenya ari Sony nakumenya ari Canon 5D Mark wa kangahe.
We're doing a reboot of Anaconda.
Twe turi gushutinga filime ya Anaconda tugiye kongera tuyiribooting karabaye.
Come again?
A reboot of Anaconda.
Anaconda.
Kugarura hindukira reba iki cyababwiye ngo gifite uburenganzira kuri iriya filime do. Umusa ukuntu bakireba bose.
That's weird.
Ko numva bidasobanutse uretse.
So let me get this straight.
Reka nkubaze ndashe kunginga.
You don't have the rights to Anaconda.
Nta burenganzira ufite kuri iriya filime ngo na Anaconda, sibyo?
No, well,
nyine.
Not legally.
Ntago mbufite byemeye n'amategeko.
Never owned the rights to Anaconda.
Mu magambo make nta nubwo wigeze ugira uburenganzira kuri iyo filime ngo ni Anaconda. Urirukanywe. Ndakwirukanye.
Fired.
Ndakwirukanye. Sinzi. Gerano, bwa bwato bubaceho mu kanya torukuru bwabaye do. Bisa nkaho inzoka yabwatatse. Yabushwanyaguje. Iyi filime yo muyirimo ra. Wamfashije ariko. Jawe.
Oh God! Well, Anna found a great place to shoot the next scene.
Anna yarabonye ahantu heza twashutingira indi scene ikurikira.
Look, okay, I know. Losing Griff was hard.
Ndabizi ko kubura Griff byari bigoranye. Ntabwo duhindukiza umukobwa avana imbunda. Mwese ahubwo muve mu bwato. Nicyo kiri kujya mbere. Izo filime byanyu byishyura inzu. Ebe. Akuno. Hey. Duh. Umugabo uri imbere ndakeka mumwibuka muri Jumanji. Zose kandi yazikira inyuma. Komeza imbere. Turase. None hase zibari ko.
What are you talking about, man? Off topic.
Uri kuvuga ibiki?
Go, arrest her.
Nakotubire guhiga babantu. Cha Griff kiri hakuno. Fire! Griff arasa umugabo wari uri kubatabara kandi.
Who shot me?
Nindu ndashe.
That'd be me, asshole.
Ubwo se singe wa mukiga.
No.
Oya gipfata imbunda tayari. Hey.
No.
Oya.
Don't do this.
Wikora ibi bintu.
On
the bite.
Sikikurumye
It's the only way.
Nibwo buryo bwo.
Just jellyfish. No.
Narinzi ko jellyfish kurumye ariko
all.
ni inyamaswa zose.
Are you sure?
Positive.
Urabizi neza cyane.
I need one of your pisses.
Rero umwe muri mwe agomba kunyarira kuri iki gise.
I'd love to be able to help out, but I'm just
nakabaye ngufasha ariko
I am drained, tapped, bone dry.
Mwana nje nta mazi meruka kunywa nta nkari mfite yabe na.
Blair, you want to take care of this? I'm wearing a onesie.
Kenny, we don't have time.
We bimeze bite nje nambaye wanizi babyita gute bya myenda y'abakobwa babyita gute babyita. Ni igisurubeti nje nambaye nago nabona ukuntu mbigenza rwose.
You're up.
You know this isn't possible.
Hakurabizi ko nje bitaku.
Why not?
Kubera iki ziranga ize gutya zaraje. Ewana ni ibikoriki serebuye nka Christine yaniyatsi.
I've been jealous of you for a long time.
Nakugiriraga ishyari kuva na kera cyane. Atira jacket mwambara do itemo twara nyagasani iti mutwara yabakurikiye na hano mwana tumukurikire tugende kizwa n'amaguru cyane nawe gufata iguhe nyoko nawe gufata iguhe bene wanyu
Big open field.
hariya hari ikibuga kirambuye
Process to get to the boat.
tugomba kucyambuka kugira ngo tugere ku
But we
bwato
can't just run across, it's too exposed.
kandi ntitwahaca twiruka kuko hararambuye nta kintu kidukingira na
The snake could come from
kimwe kugera hano yarikanga kumbe kugera hano mugenzi wabo inzoka yari dore aho yamuciriye do mwana yanjye dogo yamuciriye hano Dougie we Musa yapfuye cyangwa
Jesus Christ.
Yesu Kristo uretse mwana
Maybe Doug is the distraction.
cyangwa aba ari we tugira agatego tuyiyobye mu gasozi nimba ari idubu nimba ari
Sure, Doug would have wanted this.
I'm not sure.
ntabwo ari idubu ni isatura isatura
We gotta go.
What are you doing?
size bateza agatego hakuno
Behind him.
uretse inzoka ituri inyuma mwana uki barayibona bamutamitse ifuku Shira aracyari muzima mwana wakigwa ryo niwatubwiye ngo wumvishije nimba umutima uteye uyu kureba yikoreye ingurube ndapfuye ibi ni ibiki kandi Dog umusa umva bro irukanka bari bazi ko yapfuye kumba inzoka yavumize iragenda iramucirira muranzika ntago yamwishe
Yo. Sibyo ku gasobanuyefilms.com nuko dutangiye filime yacu. Kode ni yindi wishyuraho 7 cyangwa ugafungura website agasobanuyefilms.com itubonaho uburyo bwose bwo kwishyura aho waba uri hose ku isi. Bimeze bite? Kari. Kanze nako. Haraka. Tururu. Gendera kumana. Babantu nyine babyina. Filime bayise ngo iki? Abigail. Nizina ubundi, izina ry'umukobwa. Umugabo azana afite za mbunda zimwe za ba sniper. Hejuru y'urugo. Arabanza afungura hano. izi mbunda ni zimwe nziza.
In position.
Jendi muri position. Izina ry'iyofu nibuka ko batanyishiye ariko rirasekeje. Kwereka umwana ya Jano. Nakana ko mu bakire duri imodoka bagafungurira. Kandi yuri shoferi apana bya bindi by'abashoferi binaha bamenyera abana bacu. Umwana ava ku ishuri umushoferi aza muyambira. Shoferi yarakingura umuryango umwana akinjira nka mabo. Dasani. Ohana ari mu mafaranga. Kabona kari ibwami. Apana bwa buntu bw'ubuzu. Mubamo nako tubamo.
Front door is clear.
Umuryango w'imbere ni sawa. Twagezemo indani. Mukobwa inzugi ari kuzifungurira ku mashini. A1. Mukobwa zimwe za nzugi nyine bisaba ko bazihakinga ugashyiramo ama password ukazikingura. Hari abinjiye mu nzu. Ibifiri. Bamaze kwinjira mu nzu.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Okay, kagume moro nibyo natekerezaga. Mukobwa yaratangiye gusera tukuki mutatubwiye ko tuje gushimuta umwana. Bite.
That's good.
Byari byiza. Kana kari kuri telefone. Mwana barashimuta. Cyana kimujomba kereye. Cyana kimujomba kereye. Mumfashe kana bagafunga umunwa. Wa bitche bikigiye ukubita umwana wa kiguryo wikubita umwana. Kubita umwana kirigiye ukubita umwana urupfunsi. Umwana bajombye kereyo. Bamukubise igishinge kimusinziriza. Kana ko mu bakire. Bana kubera bakire mukunda abana banyu.
Fuck, that's not part of the plan.
Ibi ntabwo byari mu mupango. Hari abandi bantu binjiye. Hari abandi bantu ngo binjiye. Ntabwo byabiri mu mupango bari basika kana kari buze kuba ari konyine. Hari imodoka yise yinjira Barabas. Barabas. Kana bagapakiye mu gikapu. Barafunga. Igikapu baraterura. Hari imodoka yinjira.
Should I take the shot?
Barase.
We'll be out in 9.
Oya wibarasa tugiye gusohoka amasegonda 10 batarinjira. Amasegonda 10 no bagomba kuba bamaze icyenda bagomba kuba bamaze gusohoka. Barabakinjira amasegonda 9 duca ku muryango w'inyuma. Baparikana amarembo ari ikintu. Sinzi nimba ari amatara bakirije nimba ari amatara cyari kigeze ngo bayatse. Rebe bahita bicomeka mu kimodoka cy'igitagisi bahita bimanukira. Yeah.
All right, kids.
Sabana bato.
Woods yet.
Ntabwo turasohoka mu ishyamba. Tugomba kubanza tukagera mu mujyi. Yani amazaba yubatse mu mashyamba y'ingagari baritaruye societe ngo bajye guhumeka umwuka mwiza mutabacura umwuka.
Take a left down the alley.
Umva imbere hari kamera dukati ibumoso. Bagenda banareba kamera ziga z'abapolisi cyangwa se za leta ziri mu mihanda. Nazo bazikwepa kugira ngo batazana. Banyumvishe nakumvishije. Tutageze. Umusore. Nako mukunda abana banyu se mubito. Buri muntu yamutwaye akakubwira ati mpa amafaranga rwose urayatanga. Bindi bito. Umugabo uhari. Yeah. Hello. Jizakan.
I go by Lambert.
Highly
recommended.
Mwese mwajano babamtumye ko muri abahanga.
They're paying off.
None akazi kanyu ndabona muri gukora neza.
Sweet treatment.
Urote neza umwana.
Know the rules.
Mategeko murayazi.
Real name.
Nakubwira amazina yanyu cyangwa akazi mwahoze mukora.
To a minimum.
Bega mugerageze mwirinde bishoboka.
Our job.
Akazi mufitana no gucunga uyu mwana amasaha 28.
Now you
ngubu mugiye kumubera abayaye. Muramushimuse mugiye kugumana no amasaha 28.
This one. So she only hears one.
Umuntu wenyine uri buze kwita kuri umwana w'umukobwa n'uyu mukobwa uri bujye ujya kumureba aho umwana ari kugira ngo umwana atabona abantu benshi ntabe comfortable.
Who's the girl?
You don't need to know.
Akana menya afite akana ariko akajya gushimuta abana babandi ngabo nibitunga umwana we.
Hey! And the girl isolated. Anything else I can do for you?
Uri mwana w'umukobwa aguma ari wenyine ajya kurebwa n'uyu mukobwa umwe gusa.
How come we can't use our real name?
Kuki udashaka dukoresha amazina yacu?
Fuck's get call you can't run out.
Turahamagara na gute? Kugira ngo umwe bamufashe atabasha kuba yavuga ngo nari ndi kumwe na runaka.
You want names?
Mukeneye amazina mwitana.
Frank,
we say Frank,
Dean,
we say Dean,
Sammy,
we say Sammy, Peter,
Joey,
and
damn.
This man got his finger on the pulse of pop culture.
Yatabatangiye yabisa amazina babakoresha. Washe tukanywa inzoga.
Kid soon.
Oya ngenda ajya kure umwana mukanya nta nzoga nshaka.
No party poopers allowed anyway.
Hano nta kirori ngo bashaka ko tuhakore.
They think that this girl's father is.
Akana gashobora kuba arako mu bakire cyane. Papa akari nk'umunyemiliyari mu bintu bya IT.
Get a house like that without being into some shit.
Iriya nzu ntago wayitunga twakwe mu mwana. Udacuruza imbunda cyangwa udacuruza abantu.
Joey.
Papa ura mwana ni umunyabyaha.
Who you think he is?
Wowe ko papa ura mwana ari inde?
Dad, Tom Hanks.
Ntekereza ko Paul mwana ari Tom Hanks mu mukinnyi w'amafilime.
Let me get a piece of that can.
Wamaye kuri bombos. Uzaguri yawe.
You too.
Akita kimuto.
Grew up with a bunch of brothers and
Meze nk'umukobwa wakuranye n'abasaza bawe benshi n'abashiki bawe benshi ku buryo ariyo mpamvu.
people.
Really?
Udashaka guhakeye abantu bagusaba.
You like a nanny or babysitter looking after that kid.
Akazi warusanzwe gukora mu buzima busanzwe ukaba warusanzwe uri nk'umuyayu urera abana.
Here's a bag, man.
Bareba ibihungu turi kumwe tudari byaba inkwatari kandi batari babonanye barabibatoza kubireba.
Where am I?
Ndihe.
Where are you?
Urinde kakana bashimuse.
Can't tell you that.
Byakweho bino bintu ku maso biri kunzirika cyane. Yarabanza yishe isura ye. Akana nagakoro n'ibintu byo ku maso babwiye umukobwa kare wenyine wemerewe kwinjira muri iki cyumba akaza kureba umwana. Abanje guhisha isura kino cyana batazamurekura. Umwana ahagaze $50,000 iwabo nizo bari butange $100.
Do you know who my father is?
Papa wanjye uzi uwo ari we?
We don't want to know. So
Ntabwo dushaka kumumenya maze.
Are you hungry?
Urashonje?
Give me something to...
Uzanira ikintu urye.
Are you gonna hurt me?
Muraza kumbabaza.
No.
Kana gafite ubwoya.
If you behave and
Witwara neza ugakora icyo tukubwiye.
and if your dad gives us money, you'll be fine.
Kandi so akaduha amafaranga uramera neza.
Here to keep you safe.
Ariko mu gihe tutarabona yacu tugiye kuba tukurinze umeze neza.
Can you promise me
Uransezeranya.
you're gonna let anybody hurt
Ko
me?
nta muntu n'umwe uri buze gutuma mbabaza.
One better.
Akora uko nshoboye. Naje kumusezeranya.
Keep promise.
Ku bintu bigiye kubabaho pe. Niyo magambo umwana yababwiye. Atumba bare ku bintu bigiye kubabaho. Ni ibiki?
Oh my god.
Ni filime. Hano baracyari kwinywera amayoga. Norbert Business Group Ruganda ruracyenga. Ewa, ngati igicupa cyayo United Gin ku munwa icy'Amerikani ku munwa bari kunywamo ni ibirori. Bega nugushimuta umwana ariko kazi kari kagoye umuntu gutegereza bakobiriza amafaranga yabo.
Look.
Kobwa kakwiye igitambaro ku maso.
Don't fucking look.
Cyane windeba. Kandi ntabwo ugomba kugaragariza isura y'umuntu mwashimuse ukaragenda akabibwira polisi.
Fucking lie to me. Don't lie to me.
Wacyane mbonye isura. Ayo mbonye. Maso yanjye afite ireba.
For my eyes, it's a simple.
Ibara ry'amaso yanjye niri.
See your face.
Ntabwo isura yawe nayibonye. Ntayo nabonye.
Who the fuck is your father?
Iso nini?
Joey said you didn't want to know.
Well, fuck Joe.
Papa wanjye ni
Lazar.
Christophe Lazar. Mugabo yarikanze.
The fuck did you say?
Uvuze nguki? Papa w'umwana ngo bamwita Christophe Lazar. Yari bwiye uriya mugabo wazara umupolisi umugabo arikanga. Papa w'uyu mwana ngo yitwa Christophe Lazar. Uyu yaje atarwiyambitse. Ahita apakira ibye.
What's going on?
Ibice bijya mbere.
I'm leaving.
Genda giye.
What?
You cut up my share, Harvey.
Amafaranga mwari kuzama muyagabane ngenda giye karo kazi ngafuyemo. Amenye papa w'umwana ukuntu yitwa.
What happened?
Bigenze bite?
You can't just leave without...
Ntabwo wadusiga gutya.
What's going on?
Ibice bijya mbere.
Is that we are fucked. That little girl is Christophe Lazar.
Uriya mwana papa we ni Christophe Lazar.
Who's Christophe?
Christophe Lazar ninde sumva kaguri?
Lazar?
Lazar ninde?
That's an urban legend.
Bya bintu bajya bavuga bimeze nk'imigani se ngo habaho umuntu udasanzwe.
Fucking urban legend.
Ntabwo ari bya bintu by'imigani.
Real.
Papa uriya mwana abaho n'umuntu wa nyawo. Nta muntu ujya umumenyera. Ubwami bwe ni bunini cyane.
Us.
He controls a lot more than just crime.
Umva.
Is Lambert fucking insane?
Papa uriya mwana w'umukobwa bivugwa ko ari uyobora ubwami bwose bumeze nk'ibya bikorerwa muri Amerika.
Just like... I'll like give her back and say sorry.
Uriya mwana rero tumusubize papa we dusabe imbabazi.
Here's your daughter, Mr. fucking Antichrist.
Ese turagenda tumubwire ngo akira umwana wawe nyakuba Antikristo. Papa uriya mwana ngo bamwita Antikristo. Yeah. Bucece. Kobwa yakomeje gukata hano. Ari gukata. Nta kintu numvishe. Yambonye tamubwira ati simplify.
I thought I heard someone out here.
Nari numvishe umuntu hano.
Not as stealthy as I thought.
You want to come in?
Shaka kwinjira.
I sort of have this reputation of being a professional.
Njye bundi ndi umunyamwuga mu kazi kose nkora.
So you...
Yeah.
It's Dean. I'm sorry.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Just was trying to prank you. I'm sorry.
Nashaka kugukanga bisanzwe ari prank.
Listen, I saw the way you was looking at me earlier and I thought we could just like...
Kare nabonye ukuntu twarebanaga mbona njye nawe twahuza vibe. Buri umwe yasinziranye igicupa cyakoze inzoga zikora umuti. Kiramuto kasinziriye. Rebe. Bahuriye hano bose. Kirangije kigufatira marikeri maka kiza kumushushanya ku isura. Ureba ikigoryi. Ni gengi irana ariko nta gengwa iburamo inzanga. Na gatkuru bashinze hano agatsinda kishyirira itabe wana baginga baranywa icupa rimwe bagasinzi. Naho nge ndacyari wese gikuta ubona ko ari ibintu byawushanyijwe kera. Iyi zirani ibyo niyabyitaho. Tuntururutu tuntururutu imbeba imbeba yeah
scared the shit out.
Tarajya kure hari icyakuruye kirakurubane mumfashe nimbarinda umu kaza kureba kiriya kigoryi mu kanya cyampura kinze. Kugera hano turashize.
You little shit!
Aramutuka. Jezano mutkumugwa mu biganza. Mutkumugwa mu biga. Turashize. Mutkumugwa mu biga.
You think I could do that?
Uracheka nacu umuntu mutwe.
Be honest, what does that look like to you?
Urabona bene ari nk'ibiki?
Wild animal ripped him up.
Wagira ngo n'urunyamaswa runini umukasa umutwe rumushwanyaguje.
No.
Ntago ari umupanga, ntago ari ikintu nk'urunyamaswa rumushwanyaguje.
Yeah.
Fuck. Why are you all like...
Kumbona mwese mwikanze se mwikanze.
There's stories about Lazar's hitman.
Ni inkuru zivuga ku bicanyi ba Christophe Lazare papa uriya mwana.
I heard a story once.
Inkuru nigeze kuyumva.
Lazar's top guys got pinched a few years ago.
Ngo bamwe mu basore ba Lazare bigeze gufatwa na FBI.
Trial they were all hauled up.
Buri buke ngo bajyane mu rukiko. Babajyana muri hoteli bayirindisha abapolisi barinda abasirikare buriya papa uriya mwana. Abo basore bashaka kumuvamo.
All their bodies are ripped apart.
Buke mu gitondo ngo basanga imirambo yabo abasirikare cyangwa se abapampe b'uwo mugabo. Bacize imitwe bashwanyaguritse.
Valdez.
Niyo sinyatire ye. Bega niyo rogo ye. Ni inyamaswa. Papa uriya mwana w'umukobwa ngo afite abasore bamukorera rumva akora mu isi y'abagizi ba nabi. Ngo bamwe mu basore ngo bigeze kubafata ngo barabafunga polisi buri bucyo bajyana mu rukiko ngo bajye gushinja papa uriya mwana w'umukobwa. Ngo barindisha abapolisi mu cyumba cya hoteli abapolisi benshi cyane. Ngo bukiye mu gitondo abapolisi ngo basanga nta mupolisi n'umwe wapfuye. Abantu bari barinze bose bashwanyaguritse imitwe yaciwe bose baciwe mu bice. Ngo niyo sinyatire y'uriya mugabo. Rickles. Arahunze. Akinguye hano. Umuryango wafunzwe. Umuryango urakinze naho guca hahari. What
the fuck?
Turashize ziribana. Zirifunga ku buryo umuntu nananu yaca.
What the fuck is happening?
Bigenze bite?
I think that trying the door triggered.
Ahari mu gusunika urugi cyane bitumye n'amadirishya yifunga.
This whole thing is a trap.
Ibi byose byaragate Jana akaba ari kwica abantu.
What the fuck?
Ya Jano. Kumwana w'umukobwa.
To ask you something.
Ari ikintu cyo kubaza.
Has anyone besides me?
Hari undi muntu utari nge?
What the glass has been in here.
Na wa mugabo wambaye rinete ugeze uzana.
No.
Oya nta wundi usibye wa mugabo wambaye rinete. Nta wundi.
He works for my...
Yambwenga kurira papa wanjye.
He said his name was...
Ndetse yambwenga amazina ye bamwita Valdez. Christophe Valdez bivuze ngo papa w'umwana nagore Valdez. Valdez ni wa mugabo bakorana.
I'll be right outside.
Ni wa mugabo ukorana n'aba bakobwa barimo wambaye rinete. Menye ko ari Valdez umwana aramurabuye.
Someone stole my fucking right.
Hari umuntu wanyibiye yambunda.
Frank is Valdez.
Frank niwe Valdez.
Hold the girl.
Karakana niko kambwiye.
That doesn't make any sense.
Kandi kare yashatse guhunga ngagende. Acyumva ibya Valdez.
If he's Val,
yagira ngo tumwizeye.
His boss, then why kidnap his kid?
None se nimba akorera boss kuki yashimuta umwana we.
Power play.
Hari n'umutego rambere yaduteze.
Rest people apart.
Mugenzi bari bavuze ngo bagiye kwicana Frank aribaniye. Dori suru kuri bayi y'umugabo nimba ari igiki kimushwanyaguje. Mukanye kandi nkako guhumbya igiki kimushwanyaguje. Kobwa yarikanze.
God, what the fuck?
Nibiki?
Where's Frank?
Frank ari he? Uyavuyeyo?
Joey, what's going on?
Biki mbe?
Why'd you do it?
Kuki wabikoze?
Do what?
Nkora ibiki?
Bring us here to kill us.
Kuki watuzanye hano ngo twice?
Don't do it, Peter.
Peter wibikora. ahita mutunga imbunda.
Talking about, but you don't sound
sinzi ibyo uvuga ariko
a little Miss Paranoid, so forgive the precaution.
Babari ndabona wataye umutwe.
Know what the fuck she's talking about?
Uyu mukobwa muzi ibyo ari kuvuga.
She thinks that you brought us here to kill her.
Uyu mukobwa ari gucyaka ko watuzanya ngo twike ariko uyu baramutabara.
Just sorting something out.
Genza bitari baso turi gushaka kumenya ibyo ari byo.
I really prefer not.
Shira imbunda hasi.
What is he talking about?
Aravuga ibiki? Frank. Rasa kiriya cyana cy'igikobwa.
Kill me. I might be wrong, Frank.
Joey, I'm scared.
Get out of those cuffs.
Kicyana bigenze bite? Kikwema amapingu gute? Mama we! Jawe! Bashimusi vampire! Bashimusi vampire bahise barirasa mu mutwe. Bigenze bite? Bakarashe mu mutwe. Mwana yitakanguka isasu ntabwo ryica vampire. Igisebe cye cyita cyuma. Bashimusi vampire. Filime bayise Abigail. Ready? Fire! 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 Mukobwa arabwira Simon uri kumurinda. Mwana ni vampire. Baramukinga.
I don't know anyone that could pull off a trick like that. Do you? I feel sick.
At least Valdez isn't in here.
Kibura Valdez na uri hano.
Well, is Valdez, you moron?
Kano kana kakobwa niko Valdez kica abantu wa kigoryo ntago ari papa wako turabibonye. Bajyaga bavuga ngo abantu ngo barapfa bagaba imirambo ishwanya gushwa.
We gotta get out of here.
Tuve hano tugende.
Be another way.
Shaka indi nzira.
All the other doors.
Sijyango yose nayirebye.
Please seal the locks, and these shutters are 2 inches thick. You think you can hack the locks?
With what internet?
I don't know. You can't do it manually?
Nta kintu kimwe twakora.
I don't have any equipment. You know, there's got to be like a control room or something.
Hano hanashobora kuba ari nka control room, ibintu byose bifungurirwamo cyangwa bifungirwamo.
Vampires.
Vampire muzizi.
What are we talking about? Like an Anne Rice or a True Blood?
Not True Blood, that Twilight y'ama filime twabonye.
Okay,
Vampire wabonye hiki.
Blood. We really don't.
Vampire ngwa maraso.
Other people into vampires.
Iyi vampire iyo ndi muntu naho hinduka vampire.
They can turn into bats and
cyangwa sugahinduka gacuramo.
Only make you do shit.
They don't have a reflection.
Not listening to this.
Yema vampire irebye mu ndorerwamo ntago yibona. Vampire bayica gusa.
Stake through the
vampire ushobora gukoresha tungurusumu ukayica.
Oh, you fucking prick.
Cyangwa se ukayijomba umusaraba.
Oh, that's
sasa ukayijomba igisongo mu gatuza ku mutima.
The fucking morning.
Tugeze saa 9 ni nawe ugihari. Hala rufite tungurusumu. Byina. Ari kubyinana n'umurambo udafite umutwe. Mwana ni vampire. Barumiwe. Mwana ari kubyina. Katururi. Tukata. Fire! Do! Cyana gifite imbaraga. Mwana urana afite imbaraga. Fata tungurusumu. Arazihumuriza arazishugunya ntago zica amavampire barababeshyi. Do! Terura umwana. Cyana. Turashize. Umwana ku mugabo w'umusore afata imisaraba. Iyi misaraba ninde wabeshye ko yica amavampire? Amujomba umusaraba. Amujomba imisaraba. Nyagasani. Cyana uretse. Mu kaguru. Mu kaguru. Yesu Kristo. Baby.
Oh shit! Wait! Motherfucker!
Why didn't she kill you?
Kuki atabishe?
I'm guessing none of those weapons worked.
Za ntwaro zose mwajyanye nta nimwe ikora.
And she used the crucifix on
Umuginga twajyanye umusaraba ngo tuzi ko amadayimoni atinya imisaraba akoresha umusaraba ajomba umuntu.
Well, I have one thing we know does work.
Hari ikintu kimwe dufite gikora. Itsinda ry'imbeba cyagiye wa mugabo ajya kugenda. Kuzenguruka bareba ikintu bakoresha. Bahanganye ni vampire y'umwana. Yo. Iza gufungura hano.
Sammy, your comms are cutting out.
Sammy tumanaho ryawe riri kwanga kuvuga. Uyemo. Nimba ari ibiki? Nimba ari ibiki? Yaguye mu mirambo. Yaguye mu mirambo hano hantu yiciwe abantu benshi. Bivuze ngo iyi nzu isanze yicirwamo abantu. Yaguye mu mirambo. Nyagasani. Pisine yuzuye ngo imirambo. Yaguye mu mirambo. hano hantu hamaze kwicirwa abantu amagana n'amagana, hamaze kwicirwa benshi. Dore vampire ry'umwana ku mugabo, urebe riparika hasi parika hasi. Iyi filime vampire.
Oh, what the fuck?
Stay. Moritz, vampire ry'umwana. Dore amafiyeri y'akavampire k'umwana. Abagabo bakuru bariruka. Uyu mugabo yaza ari umupolisi ariko vampire ry'umwana. Vampire uyarwana n'urushinge. Dore agakubukuruka kamutura kari mu kirere karanaguruka we. Umukobwa aranaguruka we, agendera no mu kirere. Ari uwaje arakanjama akaryamaho. Ni umusore arakaniga agafata amaboko. Iyi filime ni umusore Joey. Ntabwo nakomeza kugapeza we, karakomeye. Umugabo ni umusore ariko ari gupezanya n'akana. Joey bebe yaraje akajomba urushinge. Wabicu mva kana gatukana. Mwese ndabakuraho imijyi umwana. Bigiye kungendekera bite? Vampire iramurumye.
How do you feel?
Urumva umeze ute?
I feel like I got bit by a fucking vampire.
Ndikumva nyine narumwe ni vampire.
What the fuck is gonna happen?
Niba iki bigiye kumbaho?
What's gonna happen?
Niba iki kigiye kumbaho? Yarumwe ni vampire. Ntago mbizi. Mfite kuvugana. Dore umwana.
Please let me out.
Munde kure nsohoke.
Scared.
Tubwoba.
Shit. You're really good at pretending to be a little girl.
Ese koko uri umuhanga bigezaho kwigira nkaho uri akana gatonya kababaje.
Experience.
Mfite experience y'ibinyejana, kano kana kamaze ibinyejana kabaho.
And we'll let you go. Hey, what's gonna happen?
Niki kiri buze kumbaho?
Am I gonna turn into a vampire?
Nanjye ndahinduka vampire.
Maybe.
Ahari.
Oh my god.
Mana yanjye.
Oh my god.
Mana yanjye.
Maybe.
Karavuze ngo maybe.
Ma'am, whatever.
Turakwita madamu, turakwita umwana, uyu mwana amaze ibinyejana byinshi abaho.
We thought you were just a regular 12-year-old.
Tuskura kana k'imyaka 12.
Beat me and torture.
Kandi kare warugiye kunkubita unoteze.
Thought I was just a regular.
Ubizi ko ndakana gasanzwe k'imyaka 12.
Yeah, well.
Nyine.
Like I say, we're very sorry.
Tubabarire.
We would never have taken you if we knew who your father.
Tumenya uwo papa wari ntabwo twari ugushimuta.
For him, didn't you?
Papa wanjye ariko waramukoreye sibyo? Waramukoreye.
Then you wondered why I.
Ese ntabwo mwibaza impamvu mwese nabazanye hano.
You brought us here?
Niwe watuzanye hano.
Christ.
Yesu Kristo.
There was never
nta mafaranga yarabirimo. Ningibi byose wabipanze ngo munshimute. Ramberi wahaye akazi ngo munshimute ni umukozi wanjye.
Talking about? Don't you know? Jesse?
Ese ntabyo uzi Jesse? Azi n'amazina ye. Yanyayo yo mwiranga muntu umwe bari bayishe.
Just call me.
Umamagaye ngo iki?
Kahani.
Siba kwita Jessica Hanise.
Career siphoning.
Watangiye akazi ka ushaka amafaranga.
Parents bank.
Utangira kunyereza amafaranga y'ababyeyi bawe kuri konte zabo.
Then private offshore.
Utangira no kujya wiba n'abandi bantu bigenga bo hanze. Wumva wabaye umuntu munini, ni umuhakanyi no hakinga abantu kwiba amafaranga kuri konte zabo.
I can give it back.
Nimba amafaranga yanyu nabibye nayabasubiza.
Parents look.
Yibye amafaranga ya papa uyu mwana. Talents irakuruwa. Ukomoka muri Canada Montreal.
Did it bore you? Snapping now.
Ese nagurambiwe kujivuna amajosi y'abantu ngo wishyurwe.
Comments from your colleagues.
Bitewe nuko nawe ukiga segonderi wanyuzurwaga.
Is that why you stole from your crew? Who just happened to be a tiny subsidiary?
Waje kubibanda ukorera mu itsinda ry'ibisamba y'imbona ngengeye kumufunguzo n'umwana bice ngiye andeke nibereho. Wakigwargiwe nawe ntago yakubabarira.
We have her, Peter.
Peter turamufite arafunze.
Peter for our lives.
Shano kumutanga bakatureka.
Joey was right.
Joey yavuze ukuri.
How many of you I kill?
Abantu bose nakwica.
Doesn't love.
Papa wanjye naga nkunda.
Oh fuck.
Iza kwicara hano.
The offer still stands, Frank.
Frank.
Open the door and I'll let you keep all.
Amahirwe nabaye haracyahari ukinguye no muryango nabareka nakubabarira.
I'm serious.
Kandi akomeje.
Full to us.
Why don't you tell me
Ako kuki utambwira
how to get the fuck out of here
uburyo umuntu yasohoka hano ubundi nkabitekerezo nimba ngufunguza.
You just leave me.
No! Mama we! No! Uyu mwana akunda gukina n'ibiryo bye. Ibiryo bye ni aba bantu. Mbere yuko bicara banza gakina nabo kugira ngo bimufashe gutamporeza. Turashize. Yaje yiruka. Uya menano! Amenani izuba ryamaze kwaka hanze. Izuba ryahise rica akaboko k'ivampire. Ubundi izuba ni vampire ukumenya wagwana. Izuba ryakubise ukaboko k'ivampire akaboko kahita gacika. Kaboko kahita gacika. Bwabakereyeho. Iyi nzu ifite ukuntu ifunze idanangiye ku buryo akaboko kahita izuba baje guhagarara mu zuba. Hano ntago yadukoraho turi mu zuba. Yazana akaboko ashyiremo mu zuba arebe nimba ritamutwika nawe wibuke yabaye vampire. Oh! Ntabwo nabaye vampire. Yarazi ko nawe yahindutse vampire kubera ryamurumye. Ewa. Yarazi ko yabaye vampire.
You're looking for some light reading, Frank?
Shut the fuck.
Uri gushaka igitabo cyo gusoma. Ziba. Bamubwiye ngo hano ngo hari igitabo ngo ushobora gukoraho ngo inzugi zigafunguka. Ibyo ari guhiga.
And then there were none.
Zano.
You run out of candy?
Bombo zagushiranye. Abanyabiyobyabwenge batabonye bombo kandi bari kugerageza kubivaho. Bibari ibibazo.
I'm scared.
Mfite ubwoba. Vampire ridashobora no gupfa bariciye akaboko mu kanya.
True.
Karamera.
What she said about your son.
Ibyo yavuze ko umwana w'umuhungu nibyo. Cyangwa ubona wagira ngo ni ninjoro.
Stay alert. She's toying with us.
Bivuze ngo nawe ni vampire. Abaye vampire. Mama we! Igisebe yarafite kirikije. Abigail yatangiye kumuvugira amatwi ati Jessica, ubu wabaye uwanjye. Wabaye uwanjye atakumuntu. Mukobwa yindutse vampire. Bashatse gukira vuba. Bashatse gukira vuba. Bana bari gushaka gukira kurusha.
Don't worry.
Hindukiye. No! Arariwe. Arariwe. Turashize. Arariwe. Nakakana menya DC. Kera katarabi vampire kakoraga akazi nk'abakatiti Brown babyina. Nababen. Do.
Over here.
Wino hano.
Fine.
Sawa. Haraka. Kugera hano. Baje guhagarara mu zuba. Ibeshye se. Hagaze mu zuba.
This room.
Cyumba ndacyanga kuva kera.
Turned me in here.
Papa wanjye hano yampinduriye.
Painful memories.
Yo yangiriye vampire. Kagiye kuvayo. Yakamuritse iparato. Hari ukuntu iparato irebesha ku zuba cyangwa ikirahure. Izuba rigakora reflection ritari ryano ryohereje. Yakamuritse izuba. Izuba ni vampire ubundi ubukoze umuti. Kobwa no umuhanga cyane. Yakamuritse izuba karashwanyagurika.
Now what do we do about the real fucking problem?
Ikibazo rero ncyanya cyo turagikorera iki?
Wait, you don't want to have a drink with us?
Ya majwi yabo kari byo bavugaga.
Fuck you, backstabbing.
Wanyana imbwa yatugambaniye. Nawe ni vampire.
No shit, Frank.
What the fuck is happening, motherfucker?
Nibiki biri kubera hano?
You're back here to offer you a deal.
Bagaro hano kugira ngo twumvikane. Ayita niguyo.
I wasn't talking to you.
Ntagari we ndi kubugisha. Ntagari we nabwiraga. Kumbazanye no kugira ngo twongere twumvikane.
You fucking set me up.
Wangambani.
Abigail turned me 2 years ago.
Ashize imyaka ibiri Abigail yaraminduye vampire.
You in New York. She came for me and threatened my family.
Yarajanira ubwo bakona family yanjye buyice.
Is bring her father's.
Icyo nkora abanzi ba papa we n'injye bamuzanira no kugira ngo abarye.
Little hunting.
Ubundi akabakina na ya mikino yo kubahiga uyu n'umukozi uriya mwana w'umukobwa.
What's your fucking...
Nabirambiwe kumukorera.
Die here. Or you can help me kill.
Murapfira hano cyangwa mumfashe twice karakana kitwa Abigail kuko gakoresha no mugabo buri gihe ni ukazanira abantu bo kwica. Uyu mugabo yabirambiwe. Mumfashe twice Abigail.
You need a little upgrade.
I'm not gonna become a fucking puppet like Sammy. Fuck no.
No. You'd be just like...
Nduma mbi vampire y'umukire. Yaramurumye. Yeah, na mukanya urabe bayi vampire tugiye mu kazi. Nawe rijya ku maraso yanjye.
And you'll be one of us.
Wa ku maraso uraba umwe muri twe. Frank ahita yicuye. Ahita yicuye. Frank yishuye. Arakaniga. Arakarya. Arakarya. Ibyo bita ngo nukurya umwana. Umugabo yariye umwana. Yariye umwana. Wita kandani inzugera zifungura. Inzugera zifungura. Kure ikintu. Ahita cishene. Ahita cishene ari kugenda nyerera mu maraso. Uyu yariye umwana. Yariye umwana. Yariye umwana. Ajugunya Abigail hariya. Bana harimo n'umunyu mwinshi. Uyu usanzwe urya umunyu urusenda ivampa yikuriye shaft ukuntu yorohereza. Yaje kurwana n'umuryango bongeye barawufunga. Yo.
I fucking hate ballet.
Nanga abantu babyina biriya bintu byina ngo bya ballet dukunda nka bimwe nagahakurya. Nagahakurya.
It's a little late to be a good mom.
Obongo bigiye cyakurenganye cyo kuba umubyeyi mwiza rega.
Fucking junkie.
Wa mu junkie we.
Gotta fucking kill you, Frank.
Ngiye kukwica Frank. Naga umukobwa hakurya umukobwa ari kumubwira ngo agiye kumwica.
Oh yeah.
Umugabo afite ibibaraga. Agiye kugwara uwa Musami. Ruwa Musami.
I'm too weak to take him alone.
Ndumunyantege nke ku buryo namwica njyenyine.
Then I'll let you go.
Ngiye kuguhindura vampire ubundi umfashe tumwice.
See your son again.
Wongere ubone umwana wawe. Tumurwanye mumbari ntaga bubwenga agiye kumugira vampire. Ati ngiye ndagira ngo mumfashe tumwice ndavuga. Uyu nawe ngo bamuteranire. Baramuteranira. Barateranira umuntu. Do. Mukobwa hakurya. Araka